And the day has finally arrived. We've arrived in Richards Bay in Mzingasi Hill. We're here for the Nguni Offroad experience. It has arrived. We are here, and of course, the hosts, the people who have started the whole movement behind the 4x4 experience are here. They are hosting us today, the Nguni Offroad, and of course, speaking to Zama, just to paint us a picture about the legacy that this beautiful club organization has done for off-roading in the whole country, basically.
Nguni Offroad was established in 2023. I was lucky enough to be a part of it when it began. It just started with a couple of guys here and there. We further expanded to places like Johannesburg.
Yeah.
Fortunately enough, even Eswatini, there's some members there, Eastern Cape, the whole tutti, you name it. So we're here today at Mzingasi Hill. We're just having some preparations now because I think we're about to start.
Sure.
Basically now we're just deflating our tires just so that, because driving in sand is not the same as driving in your normal tar road, so you need to have more surface on the sand. So to have that, your tires have to be deflated. So today we're just here to see who's stronger. Basically,
who's stronger. I mean, it's a very interesting terrain. I think it's very, very, very sandy. Just what sets the Nguni Offroad apart from others? I mean, besides the terrain, what obstacles are here? What can we expect today?
Today we're expecting high flyers. As you can see, this is just the baby of the hill.
Is that a baby?
This is a baby. This is a little girl. There's 3 more that side, and there's also a drag strip that side. In Zulu we say namhlanje sohlukanisa inqondo nesichando.
Oh,
so today, hey, uzoyibona. As my good friend would say, Duve, he's somewhere there.
Sure.
Let him tembile ayomthandayo.
Cheers, sir. And I heard you are leading the pack.
Not necessarily, but I'm somewhere there.
Yeah.
I'm somewhere there.
We're going to quickly move to later on, we're going to move to the deflating of the tires. I mean, how important is that, especially as a safety factor?
Primarily because, theoretically,
sure.
If you drive with your tires inflated, you'll notice that it's harder to drive on sand because the tires cut through the sand.
Sure.
Whereas if you're deflated, your tires are longer and they're wider. That makes you have enough surface so you can float on top of the sand instead of cutting through it.
Yeah.
It makes it easier, especially as well when you're going to be climbing up here. So it makes it easier for you. The only excuse you'll have is that your motor is small. That's it.
Yeah. Sure. So it's going to be hectic. But we're going to quickly take you through the whole process of how we deflate the tires, why, to what pressure, and what literally informs the pressure that you need for your tires. I think it's an indicational importance that we get to that.
Deflating tires, like we were explaining before, here we have what is called a gauge, a pressure gauge. So attached to it are these push lug hoses clamped up together with a couple of fittings here and there, and nozzles right at the end. So here we're going to be deflating tires. As you can see here, the gentleman here deflated to 0.9. As you can see that it's so flat. Now the reason why it's like this is just so that the car can float on top of the sand. Like I explained in the beginning, where it doesn't cut through the sand and you can't move. So it floats on the sand. So the only excuse you have after this is that, So how we do it is we attach all the tires on, then we open up here. This is pressure from all the tires. So yeah.